What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. They got a Nike outlet. Let's go see what's up. This spot definitely been one of my favorites. Let's go see what they got, man. Nike outlets haven't been pretty chill this weekend or this week. Did they have this? Did they have this at the other spot? They didn't have this at Watts. What the hell? I think it's 20 plus 20. I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to one of the workers. I'm gonna look for sneakers first, see if I find anything, and then I'll ask. Starting to see more and more up-tempos here. These must have come out a while back because now they're up to like 180 or something now. These originally were 165. Yeah, unless I got an extra discount, you know, even with the 20 off. We did talk to a couple workers. I talked to a couple workers with one of the customers here. They said it's only 20 off. It's not 20 plus 20. I don't think they did stuff properly, to be honest. Usually they don't have that sign out front, but it is what it is. But yeah, they're just saying 20% off. All right, so yeah, so dude got LeBron 20s going for $2. That's what, 160 after discount. That's too much. We've seen that on sale at Foot Locker. Someone returned a pair of the Luka 2s already. To be able to get this on discount, that is pretty fire. 130. Get that 20 off on top, especially if you like the first colorway. Not a huge fan of this silhouette, but hey, some of you guys are. If you are, that's pretty fire, dude. Nice to look out for these at the outlets. Air Force One lows. This is a size 9 in the size 10 area, $110. Nice to be able to get a little discount on these. Blazers, these are 10.5, go for 105. Trey 510 starting to appear here to be able to get 20 out, not bad. GT Jump 2s, never seen this colorway. I'm surprised they didn't use this design for like a signature for a big man or something. Like, these look like a signature shoe. These look legit as hell. These look dope, dude. They got React in the back right here. They got Zoom Air in the front. Like why wouldn't they give this to a big man? Like, I don't know, maybe AD could have had this design. He wears lows though, but I don't see why they couldn't give this to someone else. I don't know. I'm trying to remember who's waiting for their own shoe. I know Booker is. I'm trying to remember who the other person is. One other person. But yeah, these going for 180. What's this down here with the box top? What did they leave with the box top? Air Max Systems. The hell is this? No, that's just generic as hell. And then Jordan 1 lows. Or I'm sorry, Jordan 1 lows. Jordan 37 lows. Going for way too much. Yeah, man, we've seen these at discount at the retail shops. Dub Zeros, size 10, $160. Jordan 1 High Golf right here, $170. That's a size 12. Right next to that 10.5 Vapor Max, going for 180. In the size 11 section, I don't see no fire size 11s. I'm looking for a kiddo that I know, but yeah, why not 0.6? $110 for those. Another GT Jump. Oh, that's the first one, $150 for these. I bet I saw the GT Cut earlier. Like, this could be a signature sneaker for someone too. I don't know why they don't. I don't know. Does everybody want the lows? Is that why? But these are some sick designs that they just got for nothing, dude, and they're still charging $180. Invincible Run Flyknit 3s for $180. The design on these have changed a ton. Look at how much Zoom actually do get in the back. Holy cow, these are comfy as hell, dude. Dang, dude. Not bad. Does show that it's a Zoom X right there. $180 for these size 11. Got some Pegasus. Oh, these are the wild horses right here. $130. Pegasus Trails, $160. MMW 5 slides. Those are so awful looking. So awful looking. Yeah, $150 for those. Holy cow. These are pretty fire colorway right here. Not the greatest silhouette. Air Max XC, $80, size 13. Fly 4s going for $80. I was hoping to get lucky by coming here in the evening. Sometimes they do restocks in the evening. No, not really today. Jordan 1 lows, $120. These just released, so to be able to get a discount, not too shabby. A mid right here, $135. More mids. Newer colorway. Oh, they got this one listed for $95. Ooh, that's what's up, $95, and then get an extra discount on top. That's the deal right there. More size 14. To be able to get a pair of mids for under $80, that's actually not bad at all. They got LeBrons right here, retail. More size, oh, these are size 12 for $180 for these. Size 17. Still got these bad boys here. Still go for $1.80. Got more of the ones. Got more of the mids. The golfs. Oh, nothing too much. All right, let's check out some of the smaller sizes. See what's going on over here. Smaller sizes. I haven't seen Daybreaks in forever. Really? Haven't seen these in a while. $100 for those and 9.5. Got a 10.5 right here in the small section. Vapor Max right here. Go for $1.60 though. Wow. Nike Spark Flyknits. Not really familiar with these. Look like an ACG 185 for these. I got these in a smaller size. I've been looking for these in a bigger size. Have not found them. Got these going for $160. We've been seeing these cheaper at the retail shops. All right, not too promising. Haven't seen too much yet. All right, let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up in the clothes, and then we'll get back to the aisles. Are we starting to see apparel prices starting to come down? Because apparel's been really overpriced for the last, I want to say the last month or so. But look, Nike running, do get an extra 20% off the clearance apparel. Like, that's a pretty decent discount, because that drops down to 40, almost 50% off the original retail. We know they're going to start having some of the summer stuff on sale soon, because summer is starting to wind down. But yeah, do got these bad boys. This is hella too bright, way too bright. But yeah, $30, Nomi 40. And of course, stuff from last winter going to be even more slashed. $100 down to 75 for this Jordan jacket right here. Okay. Tiger Woods polo, 90 down to 90. Large jacket right here, and the exact same thing. Look at this. Really? $1.25 down to $1.25. Maybe it's just a return, and you know, these are still fire. I don't know. Got Clippers gear. Look at that. Really? For Clippers gear? Nike SB pullover. SB usually demands a premium. Yup. All right, checking out this sales rack right here on the side right here. 60 down to 50, and then you get that extra 20 out. This isn't bad. That's not too bad. Little sweatshirt. It's pretty thin though. Jumpman t-shirt, 30 down to 25. That's a small. Hawaiian shirt, 75 down to 50. Is this the original song that Tupac sampled this beat off of? Oh, that's interesting. But yeah, $75 for these. What the hell? And they're short as hell. Got some what are these? Sweats right here, 55 down to 45. Prices not really that low. Yeah, they're just not hooking us up, man. Come on now, really? At least you get that extra 20% off, but come on, these prices are kind of insane. Really? Yeah, just not seeing too many deals right now. All right, let's get back to the aisle, see what's going on here. Got some Jumpman 2 trays, Max Auras, Soldier 14s, Witness 4s, and you do see 20% off pretty much every sneaker here. Immortality 2s, they just keep going down in price as well. These are the original Immortalities though. Do got the Jordan 12 low golfer here. More of these 2 trays. Delta 3 lows. Jumpman 2021s. Extra generic looking liftoff. 7 low comforts. These ain't that bad. And no discounts on those 2. More 2 trays. More of these comfort lows. Dub zeros. Another one of these. Prey 5.9s. These are probably legit for hoops, huh? Great for outdoor, right? Because they are a bargain. Trying to think if I've seen these any cheaper. 20% off, not bad. Cosmic Unity, these are the first gen. Alley-oops, black with white. Blazer mids, full retail for these. All white Hirachis. Air Force One mid, this is a luxury one, a luxe. I don't really see it. Seen these a bunch of times. As well as these, at least the price is falling for these though. Terra Escape Plus. Ebernon's extra generic Nikes, 2017s. Another one right here. Air Max 90s, asking for the full thing. Metcon 8s, free Metcon 4s. Does that mean they're starting to come down in price? Because these were all stuck at 100 for a cool minute. The inventory here is kind of low. Looks like it's kind of been the same for a while. I wonder if they're sending all this stuff to Ross and stuff like that. Like, why are we seeing Jordan 1s at Ross? Why aren't they coming here? Why aren't they selling them at the clearance store? That's the thing I've been wondering. I don't know. Just I can't really understand what's going on. Gonna hit up the women's section, see what's up there, see what I'm wearing. Air More Tempo slides. I freaking love these things. Been wearing these too much. Need to wear some of my hydros. That's what I need to wear. And then just chilling. I didn't even mean to come out here, but you know, just wearing some Lakers, Mitchell and Ness shorts, t-shirt. That's California. Looking for a size 10 for a kid. I do know these are some Jordan 1 Elevates. Let's have that platform midsole. $135 for these. These ain't it though. Infinity Run React Flyknit 2s. $130 too much. Actually 7.5 right here, going for 90. See some more Jordan 1 Low Elevates. Yep, $90 for those. Size 10. This is the type of stuff I'm looking for my kiddo, but not for my kiddo, but for someone else. But yeah, that price point just too high. Oh my God, I've been finding these for so cheap. I grabbed one of these for my kiddo. I think I paid what, $35 for them, and damn, the prices seem to be going up right now. Size 8.5. Do got some comforts right here. Doesn't have the original box, but man, that's not bad for $30 off. So $120 for those. Got these in all kinds of sizes. $100 for these Dunk Highs. Air Max 270s right here. $160. Prices seem high right now, man. $130 for those. Even with the 30 off, just doesn't seem great retail. These are $130 still as well. Grade school clearance section has shrunk quite a bit. Dude, got Jordan 2s. These are Chicago colorway. This is a size 6.5. But we saw these at Chic for $100 with an extra 20% off. They're going for $140 with an extra 20 off. Man, Chic's the move right now. Got these as well. These were actually going, I think, for 90 out there. Yeah, they're still asking for $140. Wow. All right, looks like they got some interesting stuff in the women's. To see what's up with the aisles. Aisles in the women's have been trash for like so long. Last few months, women's Nike aisles have been whatever, dude. Platforms right here. Some more platforms. Regular Air Force Ones. Do got tumbled leather on them. Okay, not a discount though. Blazers at regular price. More blazers at full price. Another blazer for retail. These are premium, supposedly. Material seems really nice, but I don't know, I'm just going by what Rose Anvil showed when he tore these apart. Just apparently they're not super premium. Apparently there's different ways of manipulating the leather, and I don't know. I'm not a leatherologist like he is, but yeah, free Micron 4s. Another one right here. Grade school 270s right there. Some of the comforts in preschool. Got some Air Forces going for regular price. They stingy with the discounts, man. Alright, I think that's about it, yo. I really do think that's about it. I've scoured the entire place for stuff. Oh, they got a couple extra signs right here. Oh, wait. Wait. This is the stuff I've been looking for, right? Oh, this is a kids, man. What the hell am I gonna do with the kids, man? Kids shirt stuff. You need Kids USA shirts, 50% off. Is that additional 50% off? Holy cow. These are all the kids stuff right here. Is this the women's? What? Then an additional 50% off of this stuff too. So $30 for this hoodie. I've been wanting one of these. And then got these shirts too. Another 50% off? Where's the price tag though, man? So these are $12.50 each. $12.50. That looks kind of cheesy though. Like, I wish it would say, you know, United States or something. Just says States. This one's pretty fire, dude. $60. So $30 for this. This is pretty thin though. I want a thicker one. This is so freaking thin. I like that that's embroidered on and stuff. $30 for this. All my hoodies are way thinner than this. Like, I barely have any hoodies that are this thin. Dang, dude. Y'all making me think about it. All their graphic tees go for hella cheap. Got a couple rows of these, or a couple displays. I'm looking for all these sale signs, trying to show you guys everything that's on sale. Do you got the Nike Trail t-shirts? These are an additional 40% off. So 35 down to 25, and then another 40% off. Got a few different colors. Yeah, they're all going for 25. And then tanks only. Oh, I guess these things right here. These are $35 for some running tanks. I guess they're down to 25. That's it. I think I showed all the red tags. Not the craziest trip, you know, but it is what it is. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, press that subscribe button. I think we got everything. Make sure you click on one of these videos. Man, I've been traveling the entire US trying to find deals for y'all. Yeah, make sure you guys click on one of these videos. We're done, dude.